Hello friend, welcome my channel. Welcome my channel. I am Robin Mukherjee, civil engineering pass out 1986, work experience above 30 years. Daily I discuss civil engineering execution activities, project and plan related. Today discuss how to properly install column rebar for maximum stability. How to properly install column rebar for maximum stability. This is the column rebar fixing. This is the column rebar fixing. Column rebar fixing. This is the column rebar fixing work. Top number 1. Rebar hoops evenly spaced along length of cage. Rebar hoops evenly spaced along length of cage. Hatch 4, hatch 8 typical. Hatch 4, hatch 8 typical. Longitudinal bars evenly spaced on hoop. Circumference. Longitudinal bars evenly spaced on hoop. Circumference. Hatch 4 to hatch 10 typical. Hatch 4 to hatch 10 typical. Larger pickup bars insert from longitudinal bars in angle of square pattern. Hatch 10 to hatch 12 typical. Larger pickup bar insert from longitudinal bars in angle of square pattern. Hatch 10 to hatch 12 typical. Internal bracing in Z shape to improve lateral stability. Braces from X shape in cross section of cage. Hatch 4 to hatch 6 typical. Internal bracing in Z shape to improve lateral stability. Braces from X shapes in cross section of cage. Hatch 4 to hatch 6 typical. Guy wires attached to ground anchor blocks symmetrically. Guy wires attached to ground anchor blocks symmetrically. Note rebar elements tied with wire as per GRSI 2005. Note rebar elements tied with wire as per GRSI 2005. This is the sketch and top to bottom I discuss. This is the sketch and top to bottom I discuss. All are sketch, link bar and column vertical bar placement, link bar and column vertical bar placement. All are column reinforcement related sketch and binding wire. Binding wire. Correct installation of column reinforcement is critical for structural strength, load transfer, and earthquake resistance. Poor rebar placement can lead to cracking, buckling, or even column failure. Below is a step-by-step site practical guide followed by key checks used by experienced civil engineers. Correct installation of column reinforcement is critical for structural strength, load transfer, and earthquake resistance. Poor rebar placement can lead to cracking, buckling, or even column failure. Below is a step-by-step site practical guide followed by key checks used by experienced civil engineers. Number one, understand the structural drawing first. Understand the structural drawing first. Before fixing any steel, check column size, number of bars, bar diameter. Verify lap length, development length, and splice location. Confirm tie stirrup spacing. As per IS 456 2000, always follow approved drawings. Never assume on site. Number one, understand the structural drawing first. Understand the structural drawing first. Before fixing any steel, check column size, number of bars, bar diameter. Check column size, number of bars, bar diameter. Verify lap length, development length, and splice location. Verify lap length, development length, and splice location. Confirm tie stirrup spacing. Confirm tie link bar or stirrup spacing. As per IS 456 2000, always follow approved drawing, never assume on site. As per IS 456 2000, always follow approved drawing, never assume on site. Number two, select the right rebar. Select the right rebar. Use FE 500 oblique FE 500D, commonly used in India. Use FE 500 oblique FE 500D, commonly used in India. Ensure bars are free from rust, oil, paint, or mud. Ensure bars are free from rust, oil, paint, or mud. Straight and properly cut. Straight and properly cut. Clean steel, better bond with concrete. Clean steel, better bond with concrete. Number three, correct bar placement and alignment. Correct bar placement and alignment. Place main vertical bar exactly as per drawing. Place main vertical bar exactly as per drawing. Maintain uniform spacing. Maintain uniform spacing. Bars must be perfectly vertical, plumb. Bar must be perfectly vertical, plumb. Use plumb bob or split level to avoid eccentric loading. Use plumb bob or split level to avoid eccentric loading. Number four, proper lap length and splicing. Proper lap length and splicing. Lap length should be 40D to 50D, depending on grade and design. Lap length should be 40D to 50D, depending on grade and design. D means diameter, 40 diameter to 50 diameter, depending on grade and design. Avoid laps near beam column junction. Avoid laps near beam column junction or at the same level for all bars. At the same level for all bars. Stagger lap joints for better load distribution. Stagger lap joints for better load distribution. Number five, fixing column ties stirrups. Fixing column ties, link bar and stirrups. Column ties are vital for buckling, resistance, and confinement. Column ties are vital for buckling, resistance, and confinement. Tie spacing. Closure at top and bottom, 100 to 150 millimeter. Tie spacing. Closure at top and bottom, 100 to 150 millimeter. Wider in mid height, 200 to 300 millimeter. Wider in mid height, 200 to 300 millimeter. Ensure 135-degree hook with 10D extension. Ensure 135-degree hook with 10D extension. Tight binding using GI binding wire. Tight binding using GI binding wire. Loose ties weak column core. Loose ties weak column core. Number 6. Maintain proper clear cover. Maintain proper clear cover. Provide 40 millimeter clear cover minimum. Provide 40 millimeter clear cover minimum. Use concrete cover blocks, not bricks or stone. Use concrete cover blocks, not bricks or stones. Proper cover protects steel from corrosion and fire damage. Proper cover protects steel from corrosion and fire damage. Number 7. Strong binding and stability. Strong binding and stability. Tie all inspection firmly. Tie all inspection firmly. Ensure cage does not move during shuttering or concreting. Ensure cage does not move during shuttering or concreting. Use pressure and chairs if required. Use pressure bar and chairs if required. Chair bar. A rigid cage ensures correct bar position after concreting. A rigid cage ensures correct bar position after concreting. Number 8. Shuttering check before concreting. Shuttering check before concreting. Before pouring concrete, recheck alignment, cover, tie spacing. Recheck alignment, cover, tie spacing. Ensure shuttering is leak-proof, properly supported. Ensure shuttering is leak-proof, properly supported. Any mistakes here become permanent after concreting. Any mistake here becomes permanent after concreting. Number 9. Concrete placement and vibration. Concrete placement and vibration. Pour concrete centrally. Pour concrete centrally. Avoid segregation. Avoid segregation. Use needle vibrator properly. Use needle vibrator properly. Do not touch rebar directly with vibrator. Do not touch rebar directly with vibrator. Improper vibration can reduce bond strength. Improper vibration can reduce bond strength. Site engineers and final checklist. Site engineers and final checklist. Bars as per drawing. Bars as per drawing. Correct lap length and location. Correct lap length and location. Tight ties with correct hooks. Tight ties with correct hooks. Adequate cover block. Adequate cover block. Vertical alignment confirmed. Vertical alignment confirmed. Site engineers final checklist. Bars as per drawing. Correct lap length and location. Tight ties with correct hooks. Tight ties with correct hooks. Adequate cover blocks. Adequate cover block. Vertical alignment confirmed. Vertical alignment confirmed. Conclusion. Proper column rebar installation ensure maximum stability, durability and safety of a structure. Columns carry the entire building load. Any mistake here affects the whole structure. Careful supervision, correct detailing and quality workmanship are non-negotiable. Careful supervision, correct detailing and quality workmanship are non-negotiable. Conclusion: proper column rebar installation ensure maximum stability, durability, and safety of a structure. Columns carry the entire building load. Any mistake here affects the whole structure. Careful supervision, correct detailing, and quality workmanship are non-negotiable. If you want, I can also provide column rebar mistakes to avoid. Column rebar mistakes to avoid. IS 456 column reinforcement rules. IS 456 column reinforcement rule. Step by step site checklist PDF ready. Step by step site checklist PDF ready. Just tell me. If you want, I can also provide column rebar mistakes to avoid. IS 456 column reinforcement rules. Step by step site checklist PDF ready. Just tell me. Now I finish my video. All are requested. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. All are requested. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. সবাইকে একটাই রিকোয়েস্ট করবো, ভিডিওগুলো স্কিপ করবেন না, স্ক্রল করবেন না, পুরো ভিডিও দেখবেন, দেখলে অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবেন এবং শিখতে পারবেন। বেশি বেশি সংখ্যায় শেয়ার করবেন যাতে বেশি সংখ্যক ভিউয়ার ভিডিওগুলো থেকে উপকৃত হয়। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। নোটিফিকেশান বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে সাথে আপনাদের কাছে নোটিফিকেশান পৌঁছে যাবে। নোটিফিকেশান বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে সাথে আপনাদের কাছে নোটিফিকেশান পৌঁছে যাবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, বাই।